how to change iPhone's battery color. So as you can see, by default it's white, and in our iPhone there is not such a single click button to change the color. However, there is a way, and the way is not that practical, but however I'm going to make a video, so let's start it. First, go to your settings, and from here go to this option. Now go to display and text size. From here you will find this smart invert option. As you can see, this option smart invert, tap here. So now go back. As you can see, the screen color will be something different from before. Again, the next step will be go to your settings, and now go to your battery. Now this is the battery, tap here, and from here press this low power mode. Now as you can see, the color has been changed. So as you can see, the color has been changed, and this is not a practical solution, because by inverting the color it may glitch. All right, your screen may glitch sometime, your screen may changes color with time. So however, it gets the job done, but this is not a practical solution. I will only recommend if you are like kind of experimenting, but this is not a solution for long term. So yeah, this is how you change your color. Thanks for watching and have a great day.